Hey guys, we just stopped up for some gas, just getting started for the day. It's sunny and 70, so chores can wait. We're gonna head out on the road, see what we can find. So I guess stay tuned.
And it's not windy.
It's gonna be a great day, guys. See ya.
What's up? So we're in Bell Buckle, Tennessee. It's a cool little town.
It's like one of our favorite little rides when we don't have anything planned.
The road from our place to Bell Buckle is really curvy and windy, and it's awesome. So I like to hit that one pretty good. So now we're going to War Trace, and then where are we gonna end up? We're going to downtown
Tullahoma.
Tullahoma.
I don't know how to say it. Something like that. I don't know. We're just enjoying the day and
had to stop and get a Red Bull.
Sponsored by Red Bull today. Sponsored by Red Bull.
Hey, Red Bull.
All the time.
So we'll see you here in a little bit.
See ya.
What?
It says for amusement only.
What? Yeah. Oh. If you shake it.
No more motorcycle gas money for us today.
All right, so we're down in, what is it again?
Tullahoma.
Tullahoma. We found some murals. It's actually pretty cool. There's a couple of them. You'll see them. So,
Just
yeah,
made a
it's pretty
stop.
cool.
Checked it out.
Someone had to take some photo ops. No, not me. But that's all part of riding, find cool stuff. So yeah.
And we're hungry, so now we
Yeah.
go get something to eat.
Then we're gonna go to our favorite stores, Ollie's. I love that store. Anyway, check
See you
y'all
guys
later.
soon.
What's up? Having lunch at a little gas station.
Having a little picnic at the gas station.
Mhm.
But today was an amazing day. It's
Mhm.
what it's all about. We just had no plans, went and rode all our favorite back roads, curvy roads through all these small towns around here, which you'll see, or you just saw in the video. I don't know.
Yeah. All these farm roads. So yeah, it's a good time.
Chicken sandwich.
Yeah.
Hope you guys had a great weekend like we did, and enjoy the journey.
Yeah. Enjoy it.